Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all must be practicing sentences. In my previous two videos, I had told you lot about communication, then about some tense also, the past tense. But today, we will do something very different, but something very important also. Is it about grammar? Is it about speaking? Is it about writing or reading? What it is? It is about speaking. It is about reading. It is about writing also, but in a different way. Okay, but how? How it is different if you are talking about speaking, reading, writing, which we had already done in our previous video? No, it is in a different way. Just hold on. Let me make you understand. What do you think is the most important if I talk all these three pillars? Speaking, reading and writing. Just think. Yes, absolutely right. It is about vocabs, it is about words, and most of you are complaining, are questioning that I am not getting vocabs while I am speaking, I am not getting vocabs while I am writing, I am getting stuck. Yes, and when we talk about vocabs, it is the most worried part. It is most worrying also. It is the most concerning also. If I say concerning, that means very important. Somewhere it is very important. And this is somewhere disturbing our speaking, our writing and our reading also. Yes, most of us, if the day is not good, what we will use? Bad. And if the day is not bad, what we will use? Good. But if the day is slightly unusual, what you will say? What I will say? You got stuck? Yeah? Yes, I got stuck. What if I say, you can say, the day was weird? What does it mean? Hold on. Will you be turning the pages of dictionary or Google the word? But if I say, let me make vocabs our best friends, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Sounds great. So let us know how. Step 1. Take a piece of paper, write down the word weird. Then step 2, fold it. Step 3, keep it in the pocket. And step 4, whenever you get time, take out and just see the word. Do not try to see the meaning till you get familiar with the word. Yes, this is very important part. Till you get familiar with the word, do not go for the meaning. And I mean it. Now, when you become a good friend of that word, you can see the meaning. Maybe in the dictionary or you can Google it. But here, your seeing would be meaningful. Is it so? Yes, it would be meaningful because now you are the best buddy of that word. Now, the sixth step. Start making sentences using the word. The word was weird. Okay? Wow! That is great way of carving the words in my mind. Yes, it is the best way to, you can say, not learn the words, but befriending the words. Now, before I wrap it up, let me give you some activity. I have written few words here. Mere, crumble, quench, drench. Try by yourself, but not in the manner which you have been doing till now. Just follow the step 1, then step 2, then step 3, step 4, step 5, and then step 6. And you will find it more easy, because till here, when you reach till here, you will be the best friend of that word, and your word will be the best friend of you. So, just wait for my another video, and if you somewhere able to connect with my ideas, with my approach, do not forget to like it, share it and subscribe it, and press the bell icon for the other videos. And also do not forget to mention your comments so that I can check it out and I am able to make more better videos for a better understanding. Till then, bye, take care.